Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel for baking. Now in this recipe tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to make the dark chocolate cake. Now if you haven't got the ingredients that you need, get to the shops and buy what you will need for this recipe. First of all is to put in 200 milliliters of golden syrup. Then put in 100 grams of lightly salted butter and also add in 75 grams of dark brown sugar. Put them in a saucepan put butter in the saucepan with the syrup and sugar. Heat this gently until it is melted. The recipe is saying heat gently and stirring until it is melted, fully melted. What you do is take off the pan, remove from the heat and let this cool for 10 minutes. After cooling that for 10 minutes, what's next is to add in 50 grams of cocoa powder, 150 grams of plain flour, and a teaspoon of baking powder. It says in a sachet, and there is a tub for baking powder and it measures a teaspoon of it. So sift this in. It's got lumps of cocoa powder in. Scratch the lumps in until it has disappeared. So mix this in until it is all combined. Now make a well in the centre of the flour mixture, then add in 2 eggs. And to 125 milliliters of evaporated milk, so that egg and milk have been poured into the well mixture. Give this a mix until it is blended. And also pour in the melted syrup mixture until it is all combined and forms like a cake mixture. Mix all of the ingredients until it's completely blended like a cake mixture. And this is a chocolate one. There is a link and with the recipe below to follow all this recipe and ingredient instructions. Then, after you combined it together, pour in the cake batter with the 6-inch cake tin. This is a cake batter that has been in a cake tin after it's been made. So put this cake batter in the oven for 50 minutes until an hour until it is risen and the center should come out clean. So pause the video now and I'm going to be showing you what to do next. So pause the video right now. This is the dark chocolate cake that has been made in the oven and baked in the oven for 1 hour. Now, for the icing, I'm going to be showing you what to do next. For the icing, and to decorate this, sift in 50 grams of icing sugar and a teaspoon of cocoa powder. And finally, add in, sift this fast before I begin to add a teaspoon of warm water. There were lumps of icing sugar, so like I did with the cocoa powder, sift the lumps of icing sugar until they disappear. And finally, 2 teaspoons of warm water. And that's it. Those are the ingredients to make a smooth, drizzly icing. And blend this until it forms like an icing texture. This is a cake that's been iced on top of the cake or drizzled on top of it with a piping icing. And this is look like the dark chocolate cake that I showed you as a recipe. I showed you a cake recipe of the dark chocolate one today. So if you like this recipe tutorial, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss all your important recipes. So in the next video, don't forget, so bye. See you in the next video.